Hello. Today we are going to introduce about SQL Server and Oracle comparison. So let's go to the yeah. First, we have architecture between Oracle and SQL Server. So Oracle, basically we have the one and more instance depending on rack, and SQL Server we have like many user database, and Oracle we have many schema within the instance, and SQL Server also have schema within each user, and table heap stored by default in Oracle, and SQL Server is table index organized by default. And also we have the installation Oracle, like Oracle Universal Installer, and SQL Server is like Windows GUI. And also we have some other 2 points like X Windows emulator required, and also silent install via response file. And for the SQL Server worker, have a version of Windows without require additional software, and each instance required its own set of binaries. And here is the other thing, also Oracle and SQL Server for the managing database. Oracle database is like basically provide more than 500 new features, and yeah, it's including new multi-tenant architecture, and SQL Server is various feature and utilities manage data. And also Oracle have pluggable database and dramatically reduce cost, and storing large unstructured data for SQL Server. And Oracle business to make better and faster, and is larger. SQL Server is larger to be stored within table. And for the managing security is comparing require defense in depth, and harden for the SQL Server, harden the operating system unprecedented capabilities to protect data and defend against. And for the SQL Server is minimizing attack surfaces, update and patches. So I will pass it to my friend. He will explain rest.
In administration, Oracle uses Oracle Enterprise Manager, while SQL Server uses Server Management Studio. Both have a lot of features and abilities to execute administrative tasks. Oracle has Java GUI, while SQL Server has colorful synthetic highlighted GUI. Job scheduling in Oracle is done via Oracle Scheduler, and job scheduling in SQL Server is done by SQL Server Agent. In the backup, SQL Server has backup command at the individual database level. It also has a full backup, differential backup, and incremental backup. Data loading, unloading happens via SQL Server integration services. In Oracle, it uses Recovery Manager. They have full backup, table space backup, and file level backup, incremental and differential backup as well, and simple database duplication written directly to the tape or a cloud. Next we go to administration. Next we go to performance monitor. Performance monitor on Oracle uses Oracle Enterprise Manager. A lot of releases there: database control grid, control grid, cloud control as well. They have a lot of built-in utilities, automatic SQL Server tuning, command line adds-on, and so on. In SQL Server, uses Database Engine Tuning Advisor (DTA), and there are also a lot of performance monitor counters. Next is transferring data. In Oracle, there are two ways of transferring data: full transportable export and import. This has a lot of scenario when you are moving to non-CDB to CDB, moving a database to a new computer system, upgrading a new release of Oracle database. The other one is transportable table space or transportable tables. The transportable table space features is useful for a lot of things when you are copying from one database to another. For example, SQL Server has three methods: BCC utility, bulk insert statement. So in the description we can say a command line utility export bulking and import data. Generally they both all have import data, yes, but the bulk insert statement has no. They cannot export data using it. We have the duplication here, as you can see, and the last is the SQL Server duplication process. Thank you.